Hi guys, it's Simona, and today this is a really special video because today I'm reviewing this iPad Pro, and this is 128 gigabytes. So let's get started. So this is really heavy. It's coming out. Yay! Oh my god! This is so big. Guys, you gotta see this. When I take it out, it's like, oh my god. Guys, look how big this is.
Wow, this is huge.
It's even bigger than my whole face. And they have this thingy and a charger and the thingy. And it has two things. Is there anything else in here? Because it usually comes with
I think that's
earbuds.
it.
Oh. I thought it usually comes with earbuds. Well, guys, you got to be kidding. When you open this, you're gonna realize how big it is. So let's peel this off. Wait. This is so hard to peel off. It's like tape. Stuck to
You
it.
peel it from the top here.
No, it's okay. I don't need help. From the top? I thought you pull. Oh, from here? Oh. Whoa. I wonder if it's charged yet. And is this tape?
Just leave it for now.
Okay. Okay, so it's not charged. This is so big. Oh my god. I literally want to use this.
Alright, let's set it up and then we'll use it. Let's charge it and then you'll start reviewing the software.
Okay, bye.
Bye.